What's up, YouTubers? YT Nation, my bad. I told y'all we got something cooking. We're just cooking right now. Just be aware, be alert. The cook is coming. Maybe that should be my next one of my next performances. Where's the best? Who has the best car washes? I'm interested in that in the DMV area. I wouldn't mind pulling up. This is one of my favorites right here. Not gonna tell you the location. I'm sure you guys know already, but holla at your boys, DJ King Can. Peace.